I welcome all of you on Your PD Education, and let me tell you something very important here related to your admission in PhD programs in winter in IITs. Today is the last date of IIT Gandhinagar. There are 4 advantages if you join PhD in IIT Gandhinagar, and all these advantages are now I am telling you on the basis of our real observation. Last week my entire team was in IIT Gandhinagar. We were going to different labs, we were interacting with different professors, we were gathering different information. So it is on the basis of that I am telling you the advantages of pursuing doctorate in IIT Gandhinagar. Advantage number 1, you get scholarship, more scholarship. You get in PhD 10,000 rupees scholarship, which is additional to the scholarship which you get through Ministry of HRD. That scholarship normally you get in other IITs. So that additional scholarship is there by provided by IIT Gandhinagar to attract meritorious and to attract good students. IIT Gandhinagar is the institute which is pushing it ahead that we should get good faculty and we should get good student. They are having very good faculties that you can see on the website itself. Top universities के बहुत अच्छे जो graduates हैं, masters and doctorate हैं, they are working there as teachers now. To attract good students, obviously scholarship is one of the factors. So PhD में scholarship 30,000 plus तो होता है, plus 10,000 plus more is provided in IIT Gandhinagar for PhD scholars if they meet some certain criteria. So that is one reason number 1. Reason number 2, interdisciplinary research. Now what is the meaning of interdisciplinary research opportunity? Let me tell you that. You are a civil engineer and now you want to work in the domain of artificial intelligence, machine learning, maybe 3D printing. Then you know department wise वहाँ पे segregation नहीं है. I went to one of the labs in civil engineering department under Professor Udit, and I saw there that a student from geology is doing PhD, student from civil engineering doing PhD, student from computer science background doing PhD. So there was a mixture of students from different branches doing PhD under the same professor who is actually in the civil engineering department. That means that once you land up in IIT Gandhinagar and आपको लगा कि no, I want to learn this particular domain, ये मेरे को अच्छा एरिया है जिसमें मेरे को करियर बनाना है, let's say ग्रीन टेक्नोलॉजी में बनाना है, समथिंग लाइक दैट, और रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी में बनाना है, सोलर एनर्जी में बनाना है. सो डिपार्टमेंट्स आर नॉट प्रॉब्लम देयर. You can start working with the professor of 2 departments, 3 departments. So that flexibility is there. Professors are very cooperative, and they they take 2 steps. If you take 1 step, they take 2 steps towards you to help you out. That is another advantage. तो हमें ये benefit मिल जाएगा जो करियर में बाद में benefit करता है. Immediately after during your PhD, suppose you get opportunity to spend some time in countries like USA, research करने चले गए, और बहुत से बच्चे गए हैं वहाँ से, तो सारे का सारा expenditure is borne by IIT Gandhinagar. IIT Gandhinagar spends 10 to 12 lakh rupees on you if you go there. So for that, what you have to do? Number 1, you have to do good research. You have to tell your professor, I want to go to this university, and the professor will help you in that licensing, and money सारा IIT Gandhinagar spend करता है. So there are so many research scholars. I went to labs, so I was told that okay, that PhD scholar has gone to abroad now for his research work. So that is the another advantage. Main problem in going abroad and spending some time there is cost, especially United States. So 10 to 12 lakh rupees expenditure will be there if you want to stay there for a couple of months. That entire money is borne by IIT Gandhinagar, and IIT Gandhinagar spends lot of money on students. एक एडवांटेज ये इंटरनेशनल एक्सपोजर मिलेगा. देन पोस्ट डॉक फेलोशिप्स, पोस्ट डॉक्टरेट जो फेलोशिप्स हैं आफ्टर PhD दैट यू गेट इन टॉप यूनिवर्सिटीज लाइक स्टैनफोर्ड, MIT, हार्वर्ड एटसेट्रा. वो कैसे मिलता है? एक तो अच्छा रिसर्च करना पड़ेगा. सपोज यू हैव इंटरनेशनल एक्सपोजर, यू डू वर्क इन इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी. दिस थिंग हेल्प्स टू अट्रैक्ट गुड स्टूडेंट्स. दिस थिंग हेल्प्स यू टू डू रियली गुड वर्क. This thing helps you to have international exposure, and then this thing is a settlement after PhD. Postdoctorate is like a job. So from IIT Gandhinagar, when I went to one of the labs, that lab was chemical biology, physical biology lab. Maybe I'm not in right. I'm not remembering the name. So that lab, when I asked the students there and professor there, I was told that 5 students from that particular lab last year joined postdoctorate fellowship in top universities like MIT and all. And I'm going to interact soon. I'm going to roll out those videos also soon. That means you get opportunity to pursue postdoctorate fellowship in top universities. So these are the 4 reasons I think why you should join IIT Gandhinagar for PhD. Actually, it is a great opportunity. We could see that, and I could compare it also. So those of you who are interested to do really good work in this doctorate and have a really good career, IIT Gandhinagar is a very good institute. Go check the profile of the professors, prepare well, and go for your interviews and all. And if you get opportunity to be in IIT Gandhinagar, it is a really good IIT to make a good career. All the very best. Any question if you have, you can talk to me. Thank you.